How to update currency on Steam. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can update your Steam currency. First thing first, you need to have Steam on your PC or your laptop. To do that, if you don't have Steam, just open your web browser and then you can search for Steam download. Once you search for Steam download, you can see all of these results. So just click on this, and from here you can open this first link and you can install the Steam from here. It will download an installation file and you can install the application by opening that file. Once your Steam is open, make sure to log into your account from here. Now to update your currency, you can click on Help and click on Steam Support. It will take you to this page where you have to find your account. And once you are inside your account, click on Manage Account Details. Here you will see your current Steam currency, so it will depend on the country that you're living. So what you have to do is, if you have moved to a different country, you may have to update your Steam wallet. So in order to do that, click on Update Store Country. And here you will see an option to update your country. So if you've moved to a new country or living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country settings when you complete your first purchase. So you will see a drop down after checking out, and there you will have to choose your address, your new address. And once you do that, you can restart your Steam to update your currency. So depending on the place that you've chosen, it will ask you to enter all of your details, including your address. So you can just change the address to the new place that you're living and your currency will be converted to that place. And that's how you change your currency on Steam. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.